Hey guys, good morning, good day. Mapunod man na ito is let's discuss about patterns and numbers in nature and the world. So first is ang ating symmetry. Symmetry is a predictable and perfect regularity within pattern. In symmetric pattern, certain aspects of the pattern are produced identically when other aspects of the pattern are changed. And the second one is ang spiral. Spiral, all the natural shapes. Spirals are considered one of the most common in nature. Siyempre, minsan nakakita kayo ng yung parang round na parang round lang siya na form, like yung sa ano pa is hypnotizing yung kanya form niya. Halimbawa na lang yung suso, yung form niya ng suso, yung paikot, ganun ang spiral. The third one is ang fractals. In mathematics, a fractal is a geometric shape containing detailed structure at arbitrarily small scales, usually having a fractal dimension strictly exceeding the topological dimension. Yung fractals. And the fourth one is a tessellation. Tessellation or tiling is the covering of surface, often a plane, using one or more geometric shapes called tiles, with no overlaps and no gaps. In mathematics, tessellation can be generalized to higher dimension and a variety of geometrics. A periodic tiling has a repeating pattern. So guys, ipapakita ko yung montage na aking mga video about sa pattern and numbers in nature and the world. Let's go!
See